Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a Paldean Wooper. So this is one of the new Pokemon that was recently released. Well, Wooper isn't a brand new Pokemon, but the Paldean form of Wooper is new. So I figured I would draw that today. So before we get started on our drawing, please feel free to leave a like and leave a comment and let me know something that you would like to learn how to draw. And if you have not already subscribed, I would love if you did and if you would join us for all of our daily doodles. All right, so to draw our Wooper, I'm gonna get started with the side of the face. He's got these well, I kind of want to call them whiskers, but they're definitely not whiskers. But it also kind of reminds me of like cartoon bones. Anyway, these kind of silly things on the side of the face. So we've got one here, and it kind of branches off to a bottom one. And then we're going to bring it here and close it off. So it almost looks like, it reminds me of a cartoon bone, but it also kind of reminds me of like little hearts. All right, so next let's do a great big oval. This is going to be the face shape. Like that. And here on the side, we can do those other silly little shapes that we started with. One right here, and then the other one on the bottom. Okay, so next let's do the mouth. So we're going to do another oval. It's going to be a great big open mouth, and we can put a little hill in here for a tongue, and now we can put a circle here and a circle here for eyes. And let's put a circle up top and a circle up top there. All right, so now let's do the body. So we can come on down, and it's going to get kind of rounded here. And come on down on this side. And we've got that kind of a rounded bottom shape. And we can do a little foot and another one, and then a tail. The tail kind of reminds me of a beaver tail, except it doesn't have the pattern on it, but it's the same shape. And now let's do the symbol he has on him. So we can come up like this, like a little upside down U, and then a little U on the side and on the other side, and come down a bit more on both sides. And that U shape is going to be even longer on both sides. And we're going to come down a bit more and a bit bigger there. And then the bottom, just another U shape. All right, so now we've got our drawing all drawn, and I'm gonna get started with some coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!